They say time is measured in years, but here, we measure it in breakthroughs.
Hey guys!
10 years ago, we started with a simple belief that English shouldn't be a wall, it should be a door. It wasn't just about teaching a language, it was about creating a home for those who were brave enough to try. 10 years later, that small dream has grown into a family of nearly 1,000 connectees. 1,000 different lives, from students and parents to professionals and dreamers. Each one brings their own unique character to our story.
I remember when I was first time joining Connect. I don't have a friends here and I just stayed alone here, but I struggle so much to find some friends because many people that I don't know. It was really hard to find a partner. But right now I have a lot of people that close to me. We always share together. We always playing in the somewhere sometimes. And now we are really closer.
It's in 2019. I went to the mall because my friend asked me. We went to the MBK and we went to Connect booth. And after that, I started join Connect. And you know what? At the first day, I'm not able to speak, but I do understand what people are saying though. But the friends here is so supportive. They don't judge me. They help me to find a word. They encourage me to speak. And the native speakers is also are the best. They help me find my way to be comfortable to start learning English. I didn't realize it's been like 6 years for Join Connect, and here is my comfortable space because I'm able to be myself and I'm able to grow and improve myself to be better.
I remember when I saw the first Connect booth at MBK, I saw Bang Erik and Mbak Ade. I saw Bang Erik first because he is bule at there, right? And I'm looking for English courses, but I'm too shy to asking, especially for bule there, Bang Erik. And finally, I got confident, I got brave to asking Mbak Ade there. And then I joined. I took a classes there. Guess what? It was 2016, and then here I am, 2026. It's 10 years. Wow, Connect has become my second family, and the teachers here are so great. Even though my English still sometimes incorrect, sometimes correct, but they didn't judge me. Here I am, still a part of Connect family. I'm so proud of it.
Happy 10th anniversary Connect! Yay! Wow, it's so fun, it's so good to become like a member here. So I hope this community can be even like become bigger, better. Well, it's already better. So it become the best community, English community in Lampung.
Selamat pagi, although it's probably malam there. This is Amy from Georgia. My hair is a lot shorter, but I was there in 2018 and 2024. Had so much fun getting to see you guys. I wish that I could come back. Maybe I can sometime. All the food we ate, the karaoke, the spa day, the talking about movies, and just having some fun and laughter together. I loved being there. So thank you for having me. Can't wait to come back, and sampai jumpa.
Happy 10th anniversary, Connect community. We're proud of all of you for your hard work studying English.
Semangat and sukses selalu, Connect.
This is Todd and Dwayne and Katrina and Lisa from Texas, wishing you a great 10th anniversary for Connect.
We want to congratulate Eric and Aaron, Bayim, Agus, Gita, and all the students for making this happen.
You've helped so many people learn new languages and build confidence when they're communicating with others.
Happy anniversary!
Yay!
Hey Connectees, happy 10 years.
We miss you. Love you.
Hey everybody, my name is Lisa Cole and I'm sending you greetings from Macon, Georgia. I've been to Connect 3 or 4 times over the last several years and I just love it there. I've so enjoyed meeting people and learning about Lampung, and I hope that you are there for 10 more years. I'll come visit again. I hope you have a great 10th anniversary. Take care. Bye-bye.
It started as an idea, a thought inside our head. And then here you are, 10 years later, and you've connected so many people to the world. Happy 10th anniversary, Connect. Here's to celebrate you and to many more adventures in the future. Clink!
Greetings from snowy North Carolina. Congratulations on 10 years, Connect. Way to go. What a wonderful place of learning and fun. I enjoyed my time there and hope to join you again sometime. Way to go. A+.
Our regular classes became the foundation, but it was the hangout times where the magic really happened. Those late afternoon laughs over coffee, the Connect on location trips where the city became our classroom. And then there's the pro classes, helping professionals level up their careers and discover that they can compete on a global stage. We've managed these sessions for nearly a decade, seeing how a little bit of confidence can change a person's entire future. We've seen nearly 1,000 faces. We've heard almost 1,000 different accents. And every single one of you has made your mark. This isn't just our anniversary, it's yours. Because Connect English Community isn't a building or a curriculum. It's a family, built from the sound of your laughter and the courage in your voice. 10 years of connection, a lifetime of stories. We're so grateful you're part of the family.